Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use impact.com affiliate marketing. So it's actually very easy and I will show you the steps step by step. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually open impact.com website. After that you will see partner with us. You need to click on it and then you need to click on referral partners. So from here you need to go down a bit and then you need to click on join the referral partner program. Now, all you need to do is to just fill in your information and start joining brands. So now they will take you to this link. They say that we get partnership and we want to make our partnership with you the best it can be. So now from here you can actually sign up from this page. It takes 5 minutes to complete as they say. You can just click on sign up. So now from here, here's the terms. You need to just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and click on I have read and accepted Impact.com partner program offer, and then click on continue. Now you need to sign in or sign up with one of your accounts, I'll see from here. So after you use your email, you need to write your name, last name, and your phone number. From here, you need to choose what is the line of business or the line of work that you use to actually gain your audience that will use your affiliate marketing. So you can choose any of this. I will choose content and reviews and hit on continue. Now you will need to add a website, social media or something. Then it will redirect you to this window. Tell us about yourself. You need to choose individual. After that, fill in all of your information from here. After that, now your account has been made. All you need to do is to fill all of the other information from here, tax information, enhancing profile, and things like that. Then you can click on let's get started. And now as you from here, your application will be in review. So after you get accepted, you can actually search for brands like Lenovo, Microsoft, Canva, and a lot of other brands that are there, and you can use affiliate marketing inside impact.com in one platform to actually get a lot of money. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.